Hi everyone, it's Soraya. Merry Christmas to everyone. This video is all about a review of my paintings. I have a lot of paintings. I haven't included all of them. These are some of the ones that are my most favorite. I've also included, as you can see right now, a lot of up-close images and videos. So you can see the detail in it. They start off very simply. This one was a swipe, and then what I do is I let it dry and I enhance it, and I do that by adding paint where I specifically want it, so it becomes a really unique painting. Now, often when you see one of my paintings from afar, it looks like it's basically one color. It is when you get up close that you really see the detail and all the colors that are kind of hidden within the painting. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Now, I've listed a lot of links in the description area if you're interested in any of these paintings or just seeing the creation of them. I used a sponge to create this painting. Click on the link to see how. This is really a huge painting and it has so much depth and texture to it. You can see here in this video what I mean by all that texture. And underneath all of that, there's layers and layers of different colors to really give it a lot of dimension. Truly thrilled each time a painting sells. Sometimes they sell really quickly and other times they stay with me for a little while longer. This one is still available and I love it. It was a combination of different techniques. I let the painting dry and then I enhanced it. I put a lot of time and effort into this painting and I think it's really special. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Each painting is really unique and special to me, and this one especially because a fellow artist, Kathy, purchased it from me. Please make sure to check out her YouTube channel. I'll leave a link to it in the description area. My only regret for this painting was that it wasn't on a bigger canvas. I love the unique colors that came together. I blew it out and then enhanced it, and I just love the drama on it. I love trying out new techniques, and on this one, I used a stencil. Now in this short clip, I'm showing you after I have blown the painting out and it has dried. You can see the basic colors that I used: white, a light blue, and black. And so this is before I enhance it. And you'll see in just 1 second what it looks like after I enhance it. I gifted this painting to my nephew and his bride. They were thrilled. I was thrilled too. I received about 12,000 views, or if not more, on this Enso painting. It is absolutely beautiful. Again, it's one of those paintings that you have to look up close. I kept going with the Enso theme and decided to do a triple Enso. So this one is called Earth, Sun, Water, Wind. And again, you have to look at all the up-close details on this. It is an absolutely beautiful painting in person. Now this is really cool. You can put my paintings on cushions, puzzles, a whole bunch of other items as well. I'll leave the link in the description area. This is an image that shows you right after I've blown it out. You can see that it's still shiny and all wet. And this video clip shows you the details of that painting once I have let it dry and enhanced it. This painting has so much detail which you really can't see in an image. So I've included a couple of pictures for you to see what it looks like. It is gorgeous. The other thing I love about this painting, you can turn it around every which way and it looks beautiful. Is there one that you like the best? Leave me a 1, 2, 3, or 4, or maybe all 4 in the comments section to let me know which one you like the best. Thank you so much for your love and support during this whole year on YouTube. I love hearing from you. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas to everyone.